Good morning, Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for December 1st, 2015. And the month of December will start off on a very unsettled note with light rain, drizzle, fog, mist expected here for today, tonight, and again for your Wednesday until a cold front finally moves through and ushers all this out of here. But in the meantime, we're going to have some light rain today. There will be periods of light rain. It won't be raining lightly constantly. We're going to have some intermittent periods where it doesn't is hardly raining, but I think in those intermittent periods we're talking about some rain and drizzle and mist in between. And here's that shower activity here this morning, this afternoon. You can see there's nothing really heavy going on here, but just a persistent raw day, raw chilly rain, that's going to hang around most of the day here today and tonight. And again here on Wednesday, I think Wednesday is actually a better shot of a more consistent rainfall, and this is going to be probably Wednesday afternoon with low pressure forming along this frontal boundary and moving off to the northeast, and then the cold front comes through and we're going to clear out, we think, here on Wednesday night. And here's that system moving away then on Wednesday evening. Let's go to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. We're starting us off at 5 o'clock in the morning here on Tuesday. Moving forward from this point, and you can see it's just some steady rain, and every time it looks like it's going to end, you got more redeveloping behind it. Just going to have waves of this light rain moving through here, and in between you'll have the periods of drizzle and mist. And it's just a constant thing here. And then we get into later Tuesday. Here's later at night here. You might even have periods of these lulls and everything late overnight here. But then as you get into Wednesday, I think you get into more steady rain, and you might actually get your highest rainfall totals on Wednesday before this front moves through. So some embedded heavier rain possible here on Wednesday before this moves out Wednesday evening. And you can see that here starting to move out, and then it gets out of our area here Wednesday evening. So as that front moves through, it will start to clear things out. And here we'll go back to the global models here and show you that. Again, not expecting anything from Thursday onward. We're going to have high pressure in the Ohio Valley that's going to kind of just sit here and drift eastward. Not really move very much over the next couple of days. Here's where we're getting to Saturday. It's just only made it from the Ohio Valley over to western Pennsylvania at this point. Very strong high pressure, so we're not expecting even any clouds in the sky here for the weekend. It's going to be a bright sunny weekend. High pressure sitting right over top of us, and that's going to allow temperatures to hang near, maybe slightly above normal, but completely dry. And just a fantastic period here from Thursday through at least Sunday. With those dry conditions and not too terribly cold. Now, a lot of people are asking us, where is the snow? We did now turn the calendar to December today, and we're getting a lot of questions about that. A lot of people get antsy. They know December is a month that we start getting snowfall. I can tell you for what we're looking at for the next 2 weeks, the foreseeable future does not look good for any snowfall in our area. There are some signals as we get beyond that. Here we'll show you some ensemble guidance here. This is a blend of several model runs together that are showing us going way out into the future here. This is about the 15th of the month or so, and this is a representative of 500 millibar heights. So what we're expecting at that point is finally to get a ridge going out here in the west, and maybe some troughiness in here in the east that will allow for some cold air to filter down here. But right now it doesn't look anything like it's overpowering to the point where we're going to be in some deep cold or anything like that. But we will have some opportunities for snow in the second half of December, we think. But may only be 1 or 2 chances. It's not like the chances are just going to be lining up. Some models are indicating that the last week, especially of December, will get pretty active. But until then, I think we're going to be in this pattern. We're going to be pretty zonal, fast to east. We have we currently have a positive Eastern Pacific oscillation, which means that the low heights up here are up over the eastern part of Alaska that need to retrograde westward into the Aleutians. Now this is off the map here, but and eventually that'll allow for some cold air to start working down here in Canada. So until that starts happening, we're looking at above normal temperatures here for the first half of December, and then once we get into the second half, we'll start getting at least closer to normal, maybe slightly below, and then probably still going to average the month out slightly above normal temperatures for the entire month as a whole. But Again, the second half of the month, I think, is when you have your best opportunity for that snow to occur. So just keep checking back with us. We have plenty of time to look at this, and this is going to kind of segue into Weather Weekly's video that I do every Sunday. We'll talk a little bit more about those chances as now that we turn the calendar into December. We'll start focusing our attention more on the snowfall aspect and where is winter. Just remember, winter doesn't start until December 20th or 21st. I can't remember which one of those 2 days it is, but either way, it's still a couple weeks away here. So before calendar winter starts, today is the first day of meteorological winter. But again, nothing happening here in the first 2 weeks of meteorological winter at the very least. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for December 1st, 2015. Have a great Tuesday.